Okay, but what about funky layouts, like asymmetric designs or multicolumn stuff?
Well, this layout that I'm going to show you looks custom coded, right?
Yeah, I might assume a dev touched that.
You're in for a surprise. It's just a smart use of columns, padding, and background colors, all done inside Beefree. Let me explain how we build this. So you can see this section here. It's a 2-column row where we have set the content area background color with the light blue. And on the right side, we have an image that it's basically a shape with the same yellow color of the following section. This section instead, as you can see, these background shapes on the left, it's a background image that contains this texture. Same for this other row. For this one, instead, we use a full background image that is applied to the content area and it's centered aligned, where we have, in addition to the photo, we also have the shapes on top and on the bottom. Same that it's applied to this section here. Instead, the last section is made as the first one. So here we have the content area background color set to the black, and on the left side, we have the yellow shapes. Everything renders perfectly also on mobile, as you can see. So we have the same flow and the same design also on mobile. I want to show you another example. So this email is completely made with a smart usage of columns, spacer, and background images. Let me explain how we build this. So if you scroll down a little bit, here, for example, we have this section that is 9-3 column structure, followed by a 5-7 column structure. That you can see with the right usage of the column, we can accomplish this beautiful layout in Beefree. The following row is, for example, made with a beautiful image applied as a background image to the row, not to the content area. But let's focus on this section here. As you can see here, we have 3-column row. We have applied a background image to the row and we centered the image to the center. Then we have the fashion stylist text on the left column, we have the image on the center column, and we have a big spacer with a text below on the right column. As you can see, the combination of background images, columns, and spacer can make a beautiful and special design in Beefree. And lastly, we have also this section here where with the simple usage of a spacer here, we can accomplish this gallery design.